Hey guys, it's me again. I haven't posted in a while. I'm sorry, I just didn't have any videos. I didn't know what to do. But what are we doing today? I don't know. But you're gonna see on the caption thingy, I don't know. You're gonna say, oh, we're doing, yes, we're doing slime video today. I don't really do slime videos, but today is the day. And I just like to do different things when I'm filming. But yeah, here's my blue slime. We're gonna test things out today. Okay, so if you see on the caption, it says test slime. And yeah, we're testing slime today. Isn't that cool? Comment below if you have slime. Well, actually because I saw on some of my videos, well, all my videos, all my 4 videos, that it says comments turned off, I think, or comments are, I don't know. Comments are not allowed, I don't know. But you can like if you have slime. Like if you have slime, I don't know. And if you don't have slime, still like it, please. I need some likes, please. I know. Sorry, guys. Okay, now we're gonna do the slime video. Ooh, no. Okay. Okay. First things first, stretch. We always have to test our slime when we first get it. I got it yesterday at Walmart. But if you get a slime and you don't stretch it, you have to stretch it. You can't be like, oh, time to play. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Now we're going to stretch. Okay, this gets pretty. Whoa, this gets, look. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so cool. Oh my God. I could use this as a jump rope. Oh no, okay. Not gonna do that. Oh. Test number 1 completed. Now we're gonna test the bubble. The big bubbles. Okay. Here. We're gonna test this. I don't know what to call it. I like to do this. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. I'll give this a 7 out of 10. A 7 out of 10. It scratched me pretty far, but it ripped. But that's okay. Okay, now we're gonna do the other bubble test. If you do this, okay. But if you don't do this, I don't care. Look, guys. Look. Okay, let's try that again. I know I can do it because I did it. And yeah. Did I got some? Okay, I don't have some on my chin. I felt like it. I don't know why. But, okay, let's scratch it first. Oh my God, that went fast. Okay, next test. Well, the second test completed. Next test is this test. Okay. Oh, it went pretty long. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now we're going to test. I don't know, test. Throwing test. Yeah, throwing test. Okay, when you catch it, it feels like I don't know, like jelly, like hard jelly. Oh, it feels like cold and hard jelly. Oh, wow. Okay. Next test, we are going to be doing the how far. So, okay. Sorry guys, it looks dark. These are my red lights, so that's why it looks kind of red. So, yeah. Okay, we need something to hold it. Baby duckling, like princess duck. Okay, let's keep on going. It broke. We're gonna try that again, guys. I'm not giving up. I gotta try this again. You gotta be more harder. Be more harder, just keep pressing as hard as you can, okay? I didn't want you to make this bad. Okay. Okay. Stay. Oh my god. We need to skin here. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay. This is not gonna help. Okay. Oh, I have one. Okay. Duckling, you're not gonna help. Oh no. Okay, this is a struggle. Oh no, it went. That was a mess. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. If you don't, I'm sorry. If you do, thank you. Okay. Okay. We can do this. We can do this, guys. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Okay, we can do it. Like if you want me, like if you believe me, and if you watch me, subscribe. I only have 3 subscribers. I need more. So please go down and you know that little red thing? Press it. Press it. Thank you. Thank you. But if you didn't press it, please press it. Sorry, guys. Please press it. Please. Please. I need more subscribers. Yeah. That'll help the channel. That actually helps the channel grow. And then I can do more fun stuff, like outside, like water parks, like anything. So if you do that, you're going to get cool things on my channel. Sofia Isabel Prieto Martinez. It's really long. But we can do this, guys. If you don't subscribe, I'll just do plain things like gate. What are you doing here? My cat. I have a cat. Hi, say hi to the camera. I might have showed him, but I don't know if I did. But okay, anyways, if you want, like, I can't do, like, I don't know, I need something. If you're not going to subscribe, you're not going to get cool things. Like, if you subscribe, we're going to get cool things. But if you don't, we're just going to get not cool things. Like, you need to subscribe and like. That's going to help the channel grow. And if we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do something cool. I'm going to do hide and seek with my sister. You're like, you don't have a sister? I do have a sister. Her name is Abrar. She's 8 like me. Okay, this is really long. Okay, this is, hold on. Whoa, that was so long, guys. Oh my god. Oh no. It sticked to my pole thingy. Okay. Oh no. Okay. What? That was so long. Rewind that, guys, and pause it. That was long. Oh my god. No, don't get on the carpet. No. Okay, no. You cannot get on the carpet. Oh my god. Because, look, guys. I'm going to go to my parents' room. I can go there. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. So, you might not see it. Like, right here, it's like, okay, you can't see it. But right here, you can move stuff. But right here, you can't. You can't see it. I don't know if you can see it. It's, like, really hard. Because, I don't know, a few days, months and days and days, years, not years. Like, last year, I don't know what happened. But in the middle of the night, I guess one of my slimes spilled on the, no, not hair, ew. Anyway, it spilled on the floor, and now we can't get, you just gonna watch me? He's interested. Look, he's right there. That's my black cat. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Okay, that's a hi to me. Yeah, that was a hi to me because he almost scratched my finger. One time he almost scratched my eye. Like, that was not fun. Okay, we're going to put the slime down. You're going to actually say hi. look, he's saying hi right now. He's saying hi. You're just gonna watch me make my video? Okay, guys, that is it. That is it. I'm gonna do a vlog later. I'm gonna do a story time. It's gonna be a little scary. Yeah, he's out. But, so, yeah, I'm going to do a vlog in a few minutes, like in 10 minutes, I don't know. But, yeah, I'm going to do a story time. So, that's going to be my video. So, for today. So, yeah, hope you liked it. Like, subscribe. You can't comment because it says comments are turned off. But I don't care. Just like. Please like and please subscribe. If you subscribe, we're going to have more story times and I don't know. Maybe gaming. No, I don't know gaming. Not gaming, but more cool stuff like going outside, like digging, yeah. In a few minutes, I'm going to be vlogging again. So, ew, why is there hair? Okay, I'm going to vlog about story time. It's a little bit scary, but I don't think it's scary to me. But yeah, hope you stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!